Maybe I'll crush this can. I haven't done a Red Bull one on that yet.
You called me at 8 o'clock this morning.
Oh, I was already up for 2.5 hours.
Well, you're lucky you did not get yelled at.
Oh yeah, we're doing it.
Will it crush?
Because what I need is more sticky in here from doing this.
Look at that. Wow.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Not bad.
Crush the can.
Not bad.
There's a garbage can right there, bro.
Oh, yeah, there's two. Maybe I'll get rid of all the empties of this thing too.
There's all in there.
Liam needs him. Gotta bring the bike up to the
Yeah, I'll brush them. We'll be
Oh yeah.
just kind of treating them.
3 bush.
Right?
3. Bam! Can crusher.
There we go.
Yeah.
Attaboy.
Can't do that with that freaking car over there. There's no hood.
Right? It's like you got rid of the only useful part on a 300. It's the can crusher part.
Greg, man, you're awesome.
Oh man.